Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a great ride. It is winter time here in Virginia, and when it comes to cold weather riding, I am a wuss. Once the temperature drops to the low 40s, I have a hard time breathing because of my asthma. And I have poor circulation in my feet, so that doesn't help. So rather than riding today, I decided to do some repair work. My favorite pair of Sidi cycling shoes, which are about 10 years old, have worn through the upper heel counter padding. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I repaired it for $10. Let's get started. The items you will need are a leather adhesive. This was $5.99 at my local Hobby Lobby. There are other adhesives that work with leather that you can choose. Next is a piece of 3 by 9 inch or 7.6 by 23 centimeter leather, also at Hobby Lobby. This was only $3.99, so really the total amount for these two items was $10. You'll need a thin piece of foam insulation, typically used as packing material. You can also use cardboard or other thin pliable material to create your template. The first thing you want to do is measure the base of the sole and the top of the heel cup to create a triangular shaped template. Then transfer those measurements to the foam. It doesn't have to be exact, but close enough. Next, cut out the template and fit it inside the heel cup to make sure it covers the heel cup damage. Make adjustments as needed. Once you're satisfied, trace the template onto the leather and cut it out. Make sure you round out the corners, since this part of the leather will be folded over and bonded to the outside of the heel cup. The next step is to glue this small section to the outer heel cup. Line up the leather carefully and press and hold it in place. Do the same to the other shoe and let them both dry completely before we can move on to the next step. Now that the leather is completely dry, we will apply adhesive on the inside leather as well as the inside heel cup. Fold over the leather and press it into place, making sure it follows the contour of the heel cup. Do this for the other shoe and let both shoes dry completely. This is how the final repair looks like. I'm surprised at how well it came out. And that's how I repaired my worn out heel counter padding on my shoes. This should add at least several more years of use. Because it's wintertime, I won't be able to test out the durability until I'm able to cycle outside again. However, with a few sessions on my indoor smart trainer, the shoes seem to hold up real well. I'll post an update on the durability sometime in spring. If you think this video tutorial can add a few more years to your favorite cycling shoe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you feel like it. And as I say, let's be nice to each other, especially to the newer cyclists. Be a cycling ambassador and not a snob. Acknowledge, smile, and wave at every person or cyclist you pass. Thanks for watching.